G'day, my name's Terry. I'd just like to share with you my experience I've had with PropertyNow. This is totally unscripted, so I hope I remember it all. Yes, about 6 years ago we owned a unit, excuse me, 3-bedroom unit in Drysdale, Victoria. Very nice unit, but we decided we wanted to move to Coolangatta area. So after a fair bit of research, we decided to go with PropertyNow. Now I must say, first probably 8 weeks, things were very quiet. As a matter of fact, I got a bit concerned and rang a real estate agent who came around and assured me that that wouldn't work for us. So, but he said he could sell it all right, and he'd want about $13,000 or $14,000 to do so. Look, a few days later, I decided to ring PropertyNow with my scepticism about it, I guess, and I spoke to Andrew, who, he was very good and assured me that it does work. He said, you just need to hang in there a little bit longer, it will work. So, yes, about a week later, a lady rang up and came through and was very interested. Almost a week later, another woman turned up, and between them, they both, they wanted it. We ended up getting the price we asked for, plus the lady purchased most of our furniture, which turned out well. We quickly moved to Kirra. We brought a 2-bedroom unit in Kirra, which was quite good. But after about a year, we found we had neighbours above us who were into all sorts of things, including drugs and violence. So we thought, well, we've got to get out of here. So again, I went with PropertyNow. I got the sign and put it out the front, and we waited, which you do. And yes, a young woman eventually bought it. Both of these properties took about 3 months to sell. Now, the property we're now in Tweed Heads, we're going to put with PropertyNow as well, because I've got itchy feet, I guess. Look, if I've learned anything through this, I've found that you just have to be a little bit patient. Sometimes no one turns up for a while. You wonder what's going on. But look, I can assure you that in our experience with PropertyNow, it does work. It really does. Okay, thanks.